In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a confirmation page message in Calendly. Having a clear confirmation message is really important because it reassures your invitees that their booking went through and lets you share any final details they need to know. Let's walk through how to find and edit that message inside Calendly. First, go ahead and open Calendly and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your event types, like different meeting lengths or call types. Start by clicking on the specific event you want to edit. This might be something like a discovery call, a coaching session, or a demo. It's important to choose the exact event type where you want the confirmation page message to appear, because each event can have its own customized message. When you click on the event, Calendly will open the event editor. Here, you'll see options for things like date and time, location, and other settings. What we're looking for is the more detailed settings menu. To get there, look for the option labeled More Options. It's usually found inside the Event Editor panel. Go ahead and click on More Options to expand the advanced settings for this event. Once you're in the More Options area, you'll see several additional sections that let you fine-tune the experience for your invitees. Among these, look for the section called Confirmation Page. This is where you can control what your invitee sees right after they successfully book a meeting with you. Click on Confirmation Page to open those settings. Inside the confirmation page settings, you'll be able to edit the message that appears after a booking is completed. This is a great place to thank them for scheduling, remind them to check their email for the calendar invite, or share any next steps like preparing questions, filling out a form, or reviewing important information. Try to keep your message clear and concise. For example, you might include the meeting format, any tools they need to install ahead of time, or a reminder to reschedule if they can't make it. After you've updated the text to match your needs, make sure to review it for clarity and spelling. Then save your changes in the event editor. From now on, anyone who books that specific event will see your customized confirmation page message, helping them feel prepared and confident about your upcoming meeting.